If you want to enable USB debugging on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first we need to enable developer options, and in order to do so we need to open settings. Now in the settings, scroll all the way down and go to about phone. Over here go to software information and keep tapping on build number until you need to enter the screen lock password, or if you don't have screen lock you will just immediately see the information that the developer mode has been turned on. Now we can go back to settings, and if you scroll down further you will find the developer options. So let's go over here. Now we need to find the USB debugging option, which should be over here in the debugging section. But as you can see, this option is not available. I cannot do anything with it, but we can turn this option on or activate it, or activate the option to turn it on or off by disabling the auto blocker. As you can see, it says that it is blocked by auto blocker. So we can go back to settings again. And this time we're going to go to say security and privacy, and here you should be able to find auto blocker. We can simply tap on this switcher and verify ourselves in order to turn this option off. Now if we go back to developer options, then over here we should be able to find USB debugging, and now I can enable this option. Now besides that we have, for instance, wireless debugging as well. If you're looking for it, we can revoke USB debugging authorizations if needed in the future, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!